How to install or uninstall the TPM Diagnostics Tool in Windows 11. In Windows 11, the TPM plays a central role in platform security, powering features like BitLocker, Windows Hello, and Secure Boot. But when you need deeper visibility into TPM configuration and attestation data, you'll want to use the TPM Diagnostics Tool. In this video, we'll walk through how to install or uninstall the TPM Diagnostics Tool using Settings, Command Prompt, or PowerShell. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub or our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. 3 ways to install or uninstall the Windows 11 TPM Diagnostics Tool. These steps apply to all editions of Windows 11, but you'll need administrator privileges, an active internet connection, a device with TPM 2.0 enabled. Let's begin. Method 1. Settings. To install, open Settings. Go to Apps, Optional Features. On some Windows 11 builds, the path may appear under System, Optional Features. Under Add an Optional Feature, click View Features. Search for TPM. Select TPM Diagnostics. Click Next, then Add. This prompts Windows to download and install the feature. To uninstall, open Settings. Go to Apps, Optional Features, scroll to Installed Features. Select TPM Diagnostics, click Uninstall. A restart may be required to finalize the removal. Method 2. Command Prompt. This method is optimal for deployment scripts or when managing multiple systems in a CLI-driven environment. Here are the scripts. To install the TPM tool. To uninstall the TPM tool. When prompted, select Y to restart the system and apply the changes. Method 3. PowerShell. PowerShell is best for automated deployments through Microsoft Intune, Configuration Manager, formerly SCCM, or RMM tools. Here's the simplified version of the commands, with a more complete script available in the blog. To install the TPM tool. To uninstall the TPM tool. Some deployments may require system reboots to finalize installation. How to restrict TPM commands using group policy. If you want to block specific TPM commands, you can configure this through the group policy. Open Local Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, Trusted Platform Module Services. Open Configure the list of blocked TPM commands. Set it to Enabled. Click Show under Options. Add the TPM commands you want to block. Click Apply, then OK. This becomes especially useful in enterprise environments where TPM access must be tightly controlled. The TPM Diagnostics Tool is a valuable resource for IT administrators who need visibility into TPM configuration, attestation data, and hardware-backed security controls. Whether you install it via the GUI, DISM, or PowerShell, the process is straightforward and fully manageable from any privileged account. For more information, check out our official blog post on install or uninstall the TPM Diagnostics Tool in Windows 11, linked in the description below.